Today, we are unboxing the Citizen Tsuyosa X Seconde/Seconde NJ0157-81L. First, we see the special Seconde/Seconde box. The box features a bold X on the lid. Now we open the box. The deep blue dial immediately stands out. It has a rich and vibrant blue color. Looking closer at the dial, the design becomes clear. The hour markers appear sliced by a katana sword. The sword itself acts as the minute hand. The case diameter is 40 millimeters. Inside is the Citizen Automatic Caliber 8210. The power reserve is approximately 42 hours. It comes on a solid steel bracelet with a clean, integrated look. Turning the watch around, we see a special detail on the case back. There is a motivational quote from Seconde/Seconde. Now on the wrist, the watch feels solid and comfortable, and the design definitely stands out. This is the kind of watch that starts conversations.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this watch, use the link down below. Also, don't forget your 20K code for your 10% off.